We'll guide you through how to monetize a Facebook page. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want to start making money on Facebook and monetizing your Facebook page. We're going to guide you through how this can be done and the different ways. So make sure to watch this full video. To get started, let's switch to the page. Press the three lines in the top left of Facebook. Press Pages, choose the page you want to do this with, and press Switch Now. You can then go and press the three lines in the top left and find the option for Professional Dashboard. Tap there. What you then need to do is go to the top and scroll along and press Monetization. Here you're going to see your different options. At the top we've got partnership ads and we've got these other options. I'm not yet eligible, but you may be. So first of all, you've got stars. You can let your fans support you by sending stars and gifts. Next, you've got ads on Reels. You can earn money for all your well-performing eligible content. As you can see, bonuses, where you can go and earn money from Facebook for all of your well-performing eligible content. In-stream ads, where you can go and earn money for all of your well-performing eligible content, and subscriptions as well. So you've got some different ways you can go and make money.